I saw a lot of people blocking lanes this week. Stick around.
Let's start with some red light violations. Find yourself in the left-hand lane when you want to turn right? Go ahead, cut people off. It doesn't matter because you're more important than anyone else.
That was a little weird. It looks like Hollywood's shutting down lanes again. And speaking of Hollywood, since when is shooting a movie considered an emergency? And what happens when a wrecker breaks down, you ask? Of course, it gets towed away. That merger was a bit premature. Watch the white SUV behind me. The driver thinks he's saving time by turning into a parking lot and avoiding the turn signal. But is he? You're on the wrong side of the road. You're on the wrong side of the road. So you accidentally end up in a right turn lane and you want to go straight. What do you do? Well, this driver decides to block the bike lane and then wedge his way into traffic. Don't you just love last-second lane changes? I know I do. Yep, that's a bicyclist blocking traffic. And now he's directing traffic. Next time, could you completely clear the interstate? Thank you. There was a lot going wrong there. And for our final lane blocking incident, this vehicle ends up occupying portions of 3 lanes at once. Nice job.